Greetings everybody. I feel extremely happy to announce the release of our second part of the news bulletin today. Dear parents, I hope all of you must have enjoyed the first part of the news bulletin which was released in the month of October. Queen's News Bulletin is a humble initiative to chisel the art of communication skills to create the future news readers. Our students have put their best foot forward in this news bulletin. I'm grateful to the parents for the immense support and the appreciation we received after the release of the first edition of this news bulletin. Hope you will enjoy this part of news bulletin as well. Thank you so much.
Greetings all, this is Garangi Mehta, the head girl for the tenure 2022-23, and I feel exhilarated that our queens are being provided with yet another wonderful opportunity to enhance their public speaking and communication skills by putting themselves in the shoes of newsreaders. Since the very beginning, our queens are nurtured to be versatile personalities, be it in the field of sports, academics, performing arts, music, or for that case, humanitarianism. To aid to the holistic education and to bring in hands with the parent partnership program through the columns of student-centered learning, our queens seek the pleasure to present to you all QC News Bulletin Part 2. Hope you all like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
In the prestigious Joint Entrance Examination Main 2023, the students of Queen's College have once again raised the bar of their merit by achieving historical results. Vaidehi Bhatt secured the highest in the school, while Ashmeet Tuteja, Priyanshi Bhateja, Ruchi Fatachandani, Paridhi Sharma, Priyanshi Soni and Jasnoor Gandhi made a mark in this coveted examination.
We feel extremely happy to inform Vaishnavi Mahajan of 11th D got selected for Winter in Italy program of 2 months by AFS Italy, wherein she got an opportunity to explore the academics and culture of host country. Vaishnavi has not only gained lifetime experience but has also become face of AFS member school brochure. Nakia Hashmi of 9th C got selected for the Turkey short-term program. It was a 4 weeks of school and 2 weeks of semester break program in Adana. Nakia was thrilled to explore the cultural diversity and returned back with broadened perspective, enhanced critical thinking and problem-solving skills.
An enlightened workshop on transforming classrooms was organized for the teachers of Queen's College Indore on 29th December 2022. This session was conducted by a renowned person in the field of education, Mr. Utkarsh Kapoor. The workshop focused on creating happy classrooms with active students.
Students of Queen's College Indore once again mesmerized everyone with their impeccable performance in Senior Bal Vigyan Competition 2022. The theme for Bal Vigyan Competition was Technology and Toy. Our students had moved their foot forward with great steps and won in all the subjects. They were also appreciated for their creation, innovation and presentation.
We feel proud to announce that Pratibha Haldar and Basuri Mishra bagged first position and third position in national level dance competition organized by Heritage Foundation of Art and Culture in January 2023.
The air of gaiety entered the premises of Queen's College Indore with the celebration of its annual function Utkarsh in a grandiloquent cultural bonanza on 27th November 2022. The highlighting features of the event, Queen's News Bulletin and dance drama Drishti, were a delightful feast to the audience. Ms. Mahi Mittal was crowned with the title of Student of the Year, whereas Ms. Garangi Mehta and Ms. Harpya Ramnani were adorned with the titles of Queen of the Year and All-Rounder of the Year respectively.
The tremendous turnout of Queen's alma maters proclaimed the success of Alumni Meet 2022-23, organized on 28 December 2022. The ex-Queens got the golden opportunity to share their school experiences and revive the magical moments. The extravaganza of fun embarked with the talk show, while the students split their side with laughter and nostalgia while participating and answering the hilarious questions.
Our students emerged as the winners in the Savers Eco Achievers Quiz 2022-23. They gave a tough fight to their opponents and were victorious in the rapid fire round. After winning accolades to their hard work and determination,
Career counseling session for students and parents of 9 to 12th was organized from 19 December to 23 December 2022 to orientate students towards the world of vivid opportunities. The session was conducted by the renowned I Dream career coach of Delhi, Ms. Farsha Rebello. The interactive session was divided into 3 levels: mass counseling of students along with their parents, psychometric test of students, and individual counseling of students along with their parents.
Education is a shared commitment between dedicated teachers, motivated students, and enthusiastic parents. Keeping the same in mind, Coffee with Mom was organized on 27 January 2023 for the students who can do wonders with proper motivation and academic support by both parents and teachers. Hurdles and challenges faced by the students in both school as well as at home were mutually discussed, and intervention strategies were suggested. A mass counseling session on stress management and handling emotions for classes 7 and 8 was organized on 21st January 2023. Renowned mental health counselor Dr. Shruti Agrawal was the spokesperson of the session. Students were sensitized about the issues related to adulthood like physical changes, emotional changes, and social changes. Students learned hands-on techniques to create psychological distance from negative thoughts. The students of class 11th along with the teachers gave a fond farewell to the outgoing batch of class 12th with joy and heavy soul. The day was a fiesta for students, reminiscing the joyous moments spent together with teachers and friends. The eye-catching dance and music rendition filled everyone's heart with joy and emotions.
True to the Queen's custom, the institution rendered a regal au revoir to Class 12 on 28 January 2023. The event unfolded with Class 12 marching to the beats of Army Band of Mer. The day of commencement rightly paid tribute to the hard work and dedication of students throughout their school career through individual citations and memento presentation. The evening throbbed with vibes of joy and expectations as each student lighted up a lamp as their symbolic gesture of their vow to bring glory to this institution. Our chief guest Dr. Uma Shankar Pachori cautioned students to be true to self and work relentlessly to strengthen their foundation and nurture it with its values and tradition.
To generate awareness among educators about handling finances, a training session for financial literacy was organized by CBSE in Queen's College, Indore. 140 teachers, including teachers from school, participated in this high-quality session.
In order to bring out innate sports skills of students, Queen's College organized Annual Sports Day on 14 January 2023. The mega event started with an impeccable march past by the four houses, Ganga, Lakshmi, Ahilya and Devi. This was followed by a magnificent field display, mass drill by our tiny tots.
organized, including 100-meter race, 200-meter race, 200-meter relay race and hurdle race. It was a sheer display of dedication and fitness. In the end, all the winners were awarded with medals.
Our choir group showcased their musical acumen in Rag Amir Rashtriya Lalit Kada Pradarshini on 23rd January 2023, wherein they enthralled the audience by singing Malwa folk songs in front of national level artists and members of ministry.
Himachal Summer Camp was organized for the students of classes 1st to 9th from 28 February to 13 March 2023. A gamut of activities like swimming, basketball, volleyball, badminton, cricket, fireless cooking and music percussions was organized for the students.
Dear parents, greetings. Innovation distinguishes between leaders and followers. We at Queen's College strive to create leaders who possess 21st century learning skills, leaders who can excel in every walk of life, leaders who can reach the zenith of success. Therefore, we provide a plethora of opportunities to our students so that they might become future news readers, doctors, engineers, musicians, artists, and whatnot. The News Bulletin is one step towards the same. An innovative idea that was suggested and guided by our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Geeta Somashekaran, came on the ground of reality due to our diligent students under the able guidance of Ms. Kanika Rajani. The designing of the News Bulletin would not have been possible without our student, Ms. Mishika Tiwari, Sabya Dhaka and Riddhi Sharma under the guidance of our IT team, Mrs. Rajkumari Jan and Mr. Anurag Koiwal. Last but not the least, dear parents, without your support, the success of the previous launch of the News Bulletin would not have been possible. I hope all of you might have enjoyed the beautiful performances of our students and will praise the efforts put in by our students in creation of the second part of the News Bulletin. Please keep on supporting us in our future endeavors. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.